let's start with chapter number 3, cooking and eating. Now, in this chapter, we'll study about food. And what is food? It is the essential for the body, right? It helps us to grow, give us energy, and repair our damaged cells. The food that we eat is either raw or cooked. Like carrot, cucumber, onion, they are the food items that we can eat raw. Ladyfinger, egg, meat, and rice, they need to be cooked before they can be eaten. So, food is cooked to make it soft, tasty, and easy to digest. Now, let's study the different way of cooking. First is roasting. In this method, food is dry heat and paneer and chicken can be roasted. Now, baking, it is the method in which we bake bread, cakes, and potatoes, right? Next, why does our mother fry in the kitchen? You have to tell these questions yourself. Now, boiling, it is the method in which we contain cooking eggs, live vegetables by soaking them in water and heating at the boiling point of 100 degrees Celsius. Then we have steaming, like we eat momos. What we do? We eat them with and what how he make it by steaming. Food is put in the container that has holes so that it may steam reaches it. Idli, momos, and dhoklas they are cooked in this way. Now grilling. In this method, food is cooked directly on the source of heat. Meat and some vegetables can be grilled like this. Then we have fry. In this method, food is cooked in oil without using water. There are three main methods of frying. What are these? First is deep frying. In this method, food is completely dipped and cooked in oil, like pakoras or potato chips. Kachori we make at home. These are made by deep fry. Then we have shallow fry. Like in this method, food is cooked using little oil, like parathas and omelets. Then we have stir fry, in which very little amount of milk is added, like we cook chow mein in this way. Now, nowadays, microwave ovens are used to cooking. They make less time to cook. Now, we have different vessels for cooking, like we have pressure cooker, wok, kadai, cooking pot, patila, or frying pan. These are the different vessels. So, different types of vessel are used for cooking. Wok, kadai, frying pan, pressure cooker, cooking pot. They are used in the kitchen. Most of them are made of material like steel or aluminum. Right? Now, fuels for cooking. We use firewood. So, it is commonly used by the people in the village. देखो ना अपने चूल्हा होता है villages में जो मड से बने होता है. Then we have kerosene. It is a petroleum product, right? We use kerosene stoves. It gives a strong flame. Then we have coal. So, this is a fuel that burns for very long time and burned in stoves made of iron, angithi. It is most widely used fuel. Then we have charcoal. It usually after burning legs of wood, it is used in iron stove. Like we have na angithi or tandoor. We use charcoal. Then we have LPG, that is liquefied petroleum gas. This is a fuel supplied in cylinder. It is smokeless fuel that is widely used in homes, cities and towns. Nowadays, they are also used in villages. Gobar gas, it is made from waste and animal dung, excreta. It is a clean fuel. It is now being supplied in place of LPG in house and cities. Now, solar cooker, the cooker absorbs solar energy, sun rays, and what it produces? Heat. Next is electricity. Electric current is used to run electricity gadgets like toaster, oven, and micro oven. Now, food for family. In most family, dinner is the meal of the family eats together. Eating together gives sense of togetherness, love, and care. It is the time when family members share what they did during the day and also discuss things of interest. So, in some families, different types of food are cooked for different members, and the elderly people in the family they eat light food that is easy to digest. Babies generally drink milk and they eat soft food like mashed banana, right? Coke, burger, chicks, they are junk food. They are not healthy option and must not be eaten regularly. We should avoid eating it, right? So a balanced diet is one that contains right amount of Healthy food, it depends upon one's age, type of work, and what a person do. Now example, a- an active growing child. Diet should include butter, eggs, milk, fish, pulses. An office goer should eat eggs, potato, dal, rice, vegetables. Now, what are rules to stay healthy? Have a balanced diet, a little of all kind of food. Drink 2 to 3 glasses of milk every day. Do not overeat. Do not spend much time in front of TV and computers. Go out to play for 1 hour every day. Avoid eating junk food and do not forget to drink lot of water. So you should also drink 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Now we have done with the chapter. Let's start with the exercise. First is answer the following question. Why is food cooked? The food is cooked to make it soft, tasty and what are the different ways of frying food? Deep frying, stir frying, right? Now, why it is important to eat together as a family? It brings the feeling of care, love, and togetherness. Name for fuel that we used for cooking, like LPG, gobar gas, solar energy, right? Charcoal. These are the different. What are the things you should keep in mind to stay healthy? Right? You have to, right? You should drink two 2 glasses of milk every day and 7 to 8 glasses of water. You should play. You should play games. You should avoid junk food. Right? Now, solar cooker. That's the following. Solar cooker, sun energy, mud stove, firewood, gobar gas, animal dung, gas stove, LPG, iron stove, coal. Right? Now write T for true and F for false statement. So elderly people like to eat junk food. False. They like to eat. Eating together with a family, it gives a sense of togetherness. It's true. Now, eating one kind of food is healthy. False. In roasting, food is cooked in dry heat. It's true. Microwave ovens take a long time to cook food. False. Next is give two example of each of the following. Food that can be baked, bread and biscuits. Food that can be steamed, dhokla and momos. Vessel used for cooking, that is frying pan and pressure cooker. Next is food can that be eaten raw. Vegetable. Right? Now we have done with the exercise. Let's meet in the next class. Hope you understood each and everything. Thank you.